everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. So as you know from the title, today's video is all about bling bag. So this is the box and it has got bling bag inside it, and in this video I will be unboxing the July bling bag. So as you know that bling bag is the monthly subscription jewelry bag which retails for rupees 1499 for 1 month. You just get different prices for different month subscriptions, so you can just opt for whatever you want to have. So this is a jewelry box subscription, guys, so you won't be getting any sort of cosmetics or any other makeup items in this bag. You'll be only getting jewelry. So this is not at all a sponsored video. I am just providing my honest review about this bag. So if you want to know more about this bling bag, then you can just check the description box, because I'll be linking everything about the bling bag in my description box. So please do check that out. And in this video I will be just unboxing this month bling bag. This is the July bling bag. So I am really excited for this month bag because the bag itself is really nice and I haven't seen something like this in the bling bag collection. So I am really excited, and I will be just showing you what are the jewelry pieces I got in this month bag. So if you want to know what are the jewelry pieces I got in the July bling bag, then please continue watching. So now coming to the box, the bling bag comes in a box like this. This is the box, this is the outer box, and the outer box also comes in a plastic like this. This is the outer plastic which I have removed, and this is the box. And when you just open the box, you have the bling bag inside it. You can see this is the bag, and the first two things that I can see inside this box are these two cards. So this is a card which just states about the theme of this month's bag. So the July bling bag is all about classic essentials. So you will be just getting all those classic jewelry pieces in this bag. So this month is all about the July Classic Essentials bling bag. Trends come and go, but what stays forever are those eternally classic pieces to lift up your style all the year round. So it has got all those messages written for you, and it has also got a code which you can just apply on purchasing on the next bling bag, that is on the August bling bag. So you're also getting a coupon code in this card. So you are also getting another card in this box which has also a message written on it, and it is all about, in a world full of trends, I want to remain classic. So from this you can say that the July bling bag is all about classic essentials. So now coming to the actual bag, this is the bag, guys. I am really excited for this month bag. I have told you, because when just bling bag released their sneak peek on Instagram showing about this bag, from the day I saw it, I just ordered it because it looks so nice. This is such a gorgeous bag. So this bag has got this sequins, you can see, and these are interchangeable. You can see if you just turn it over, you'll be getting some other color. These sort of sequined stuffs are very much in trend in present days, and you can just change the color as well. So this is such a great sequin bag, and the size is also really nice. You can see this is a really great bag, and as soon as I saw it, I just made myself that I just need this one bling bag. So this is a bag, and you can also just carry this bag to a lot of parties as well. You can just take it as a hand clutch and it will look really nice. I'll be taking it to a lot of places because I just fall in love with this bag, guys. This is such a great bag. You just need to buy it. So this is a bag, this is the original bag, and I have the jewelry pieces inside this bag. So when you just open the bag, you have the jewelry pieces over here. So this month I got 4 pieces of jewelry, and each of these jewelries are within this pouch. You can see these are such a cute pouch, and I'll be just showing it to you. I also got 4 cards inside this bag which just states about the prices and everything about the pieces I got in this bag. So I got 4 pieces of jewelry, so I have received 4 cards for each piece of jewelry. I will just tell you the prices from these cards, as well as I'll be able to tell you how can you just style all those pieces with your outfits as well. So these are the cards I also received in this bag. So the first piece of jewelry that I got in this bag is this one, guys. It's within this pouch, and let me just open it. Oh, it's an earring. It's a pretty earring. Let me just show it to you. So guys, you can see this is the first piece of earring I got, and it has got this mauve stones over here, and it has got this white stones over here as well. So it has got a hanging drop which is icy blue in color, which looks really pretty. And this is the crystal drop earrings, and it retails for rupees 899. So it's pretty expensive, and you can just style this piece of earring with a lot of casual dress as well as ethnic outfits. So this is the first piece of jewelry that I got. The next piece of jewelry that I got is this one. Let me just open it. Oh, it's again a piece of earring, guys, and it looks really pretty. It's a stud. So you can see it's such a pretty stud. It's silver in color, and it has got this moon motif, and it has got this green stones over here, and has also this silver stones over here. It's a really pretty piece of stud, guys. You can just have this, and it's called the Zora stud earrings, which retails for rupees 599. And this is the next piece of earring that I got. I really like this one. It's so pretty. You can just wear it with a lot of outfits. You can just wear it with kurtis as well, with casual outfits, as well as with shirts and tops, and it will really look nice. So this is the next piece which I got in this bag. Third thing which I got in this bag is again in this pouch, and let me just open it. I don't know, what is it? Is it a bracelet? No. Oh, it's a choker. So this is the choker, guys. So it's a choker, guys. You can see it has got this moonstone over here, and it has got this meshed sort of chain which will actually look nice, and it's so unique. Really unique, and it's so different, and you can just wear this with a lot of dresses, with tops, with off-shoulder tops. It will look very nice. It's written over here. It's called the Ami choker necklace, which retails for rupees 699, and you can just style them up with your blue jeans and off-shoulder tops, and as well as you can just wear it with the black dress. It will look very nice. So this is the third piece I got. So I'm done. You can see I'm left with only one product, only one piece of jewelry, and the last thing that I got in this bag is within this pouch, and it's looking really nice. Look at this. What is this? I don't know. Oh my god, it's a layered chain. Oh my god, it's such a pretty layered chain. Can you see? It's such a pretty layered chain. It looks so nice. I am really surprised. It looks so pretty. I can't explain it to you how much happy I am now, because I really love layered chains and it looks so nice. Just take a moment and look on this. It looks so pretty. It has got this motifs over here. It has got this resin stones and crystals, which looks so nice. These are blue in color, the pendants are, and the chains are white, and it looks so pretty, guys. It's really nice. Oh my god. This is the last piece, and it's called Iona layered necklace, and it retails for rupees 1099. So it has got resin beads, so the beads are called resin beads, and it has got crystals, which you can see. These are the crystals, and I am really happy today because I got it. This is such a pretty piece of jewelry, so you can just wear it with a lot of outfits. You can just wear it with a v-neck tops and as well as shirts, and it will look really nice. So this is the last thing I got, and it's the most favorite out of all the pieces I got. I really love this one, guys. This is such a great piece of jewelry. So you can see I am done with the bag and I have no more things left in it, and I am really happy today because all the pieces are really nice. I do like this earring as well, the stud. The stud is really unique and you could just wear it on a regular basis as well. This is such a pretty stuff, and the best thing in this July bling bag is this one. This just blown me away. It's such a pretty stuff, and this is the best thing. I think I really like this one. So the choker is equally good. The choker is really nice. You can just style it with a lot of stuff. So it's unique, it's different. It's really different because it doesn't look like all those conventional chokers which are available in the market. So it's really different, and I'll be surely wearing it in my future tutorials, so you'll be seeing it soon. The July bling bag really made me happy, and all the pieces are really nice. I really like that choker necklace, then layered necklace. The two earrings are equally pretty, so I really do recommend it to you guys. I have made a calculation on my phone and I have found that all the pieces in together just cost rupees 3,296, but you are just getting the bling bag for only rupees 1,499 for 1 month. So I do recommend it to you guys. This is worth the buy, and each and every pieces of jewelry that you will get in this bag is a very good quality. It's not those cheap quality, it's a very good quality, so you can just opt for it. It's up to you. I really like bling bag, and so I have made my mind to just buy this month, so I did, and here is the overall review for you guys. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you do, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please do subscribe. Please help me grow. It means a lot to me, and press on the notification bell to get updates about my videos. We'll see you soon in my next video. We'll be bringing more such unboxing videos for you guys, so please stay tuned for that. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.